SKYWORTH, founded in 1988, is a global leader in smart technology. Its business spans more than 120 countries and regions, creating over 400,000 jobs. The company holds 487 PC international patents and has participated in the formulation of more than 100 industry standards. SKYWORTH has established 15 R&D centers worldwide, covering areas such as chipsets, AI applications, systems, and industrial design. It has developed leading technologies including the Chameleon AI picture quality chipset and the Troculus AI picture quality chipset. SKYWORTH builds a smart home ecosystem for products from TVs, refrigerators, washing machines, and air conditioners to kitchen appliances and personal care devices. SKYWORTH covers the full product chain of smart home living and has created an intelligent appliance system that serves 400 million households worldwide. SKYWORTH has formulated to important standards for the International Telecommunication Union. SKYWORTH has built strong technological capabilities in digital smart set-top boxes, broadband connectivity terminals, automotive intelligence systems, XR, and security solutions. SKYWORTH is making cutting-edge technological advancements in the photovoltaic and energy storage sectors, aiming to build a second growth curve for the group. With technological strength, SKYWORTH is driving a green transformation of the global energy structure. SKYWORTH covers home appliance after-sales services, smart logistics, park construction, park operations, financial services, and venture investment, forming a powerful ecosystem that supports the efficient operation of its global business. SKYWORTH has achieved multiple #1 rankings across several key markets worldwide. #1 set-top box globally. #1 100-inch and ART TV in China. #1 TVOS in China with over 200 million users. #1 TV online retail sales in Indonesia. #1 Frame Plus TV across all platforms in Vietnam. Behind SKYWORTH's outstanding products lies a solid and reliable manufacturing foundation. SKYWORTH operates 5 self-owned manufacturing bases and 6 partner manufacturing bases worldwide, ranking firmly among the top 5 TV manufacturers with an annual production capacity of 25 million units. SKYWORTH runs more than 40 SMT production lines, over 40 module production lines, and more than 50 intelligent production lines. Equipped with advanced industry-leading machinery, SKYWORTH has achieved automated manufacturing for key processes. The product range includes LEDs, mini LEDs, OLED TVs, commercial displays, and monitors, covering sizes from 19 to 130 inches. SKYWORTH brings together global wisdom, respects diverse cultures, and empowers every employee. Talent is the source of innovation and the foundation of technological strength. From smart home appliances to the dual carbon ecosystem, SKYWORTH uses technology to bring more happiness, warmth, and joy to everyday life. Join hands with SKYWORTH as we move together toward a green, low carbon, and intelligent future.